What are the most satisfying sound effects from The Empire Strikes Back? My first pick is the sound of the AT-ATs walking, which has a terrifying metallic sound that creates great tension during the battle sequence as they tread over the rebel base. Next, I'm saying the carbon freezing chamber ambience, which is one of my favorite sound effects in film history and just has a very mysterious sci-fi vibe that evokes as much nostalgia from me as the mourning dove sound used on Endor in Return of the Jedi. But we'll talk about that more in the next video. Lastly, we have the Imperial Probe Droid, also known as the Viper Probe Droid, because of its absolutely iconic garble it transmits to distant Star Destroyers as it searches for the Rebel base.